Hey guys, got another tutorial video for you. Actually I have two, but this is going to be the first one. Alright, now I'm going to show you today how to make these shrinky dink lookalikes, keychain thingy jiggies, whatever. Okay, so it looks thick like a shrinky dink, but it's not. It's foam. Boing! So, shrinky-dink paper is a lot of money. It's like $10 for like 5 sheets. That's expensive. And if you mess up, oh, you can't take it back just because you messed up. So, okay. So, you can create these any ways that you want. Add anything, glitter, ribbon, whatever. So, I have 3 images that we're going to do today. And, you're going to need Elmer's glue, clear or some kind of clear glue, a glue stick if you want to use a glue stick instead. So you can use any color foam that you want to go on the back, like, okay, and you don't have to really cut it out yet because you're going to have to cut out the foam anyways. So we're going to do this one, and I'm going to put yellow on the back. So I have a piece of yellow foam. I'm just going to cut out a small square. Now you just need to, like, you can cut around it to get the general shape. Okay, like that. Now you're going to glue it on here with the Elmer's glue. My Elmer's glue always gets dried up at the tip. Even though I close it, wipe it, all that crap. So, good blob of Elmer's glue. Smear it around with your finger. Use a paintbrush. Whatever you like. Just get it on there real good. And push this down. You could use a rag to wipe away the excess. Don't worry about getting it on the top because you're going to seal the sticker or the cutout with the glue also. Okay, now at this time, if you want to stick like some rhinestones on it, like I did with these guys, like little hearts. See how little hearts? You can get these on eBay. They're, don't look up under rhinestones. Look up nail stones, like nail decor. You'll find them in these little things. So, okay. I don't really know if the hearts on this one. I think I'll put stars on it. So, I gotta get the stars out. Hold on one second. I thought it was prepared. Alright. Sorry about that beaming light. That's my light that's hanging up here. I have a glass surface. So okay, you can use any of these little things that you find online. There's all kinds of nail stuff in here. Those are cute. So, okay, I have little stars in here, and you can also use, the bigger ones. I think you can get these ones in stars online, so I just don't have them yet. So, okay. I got some little yellow stars we could use. See if there's anything cool in here. Not really. So what you want to do now is get a non-slip surface thingy. Could be like a piece of wax paper. Put your glue on the wax paper, your transparent Elmer's. Take your paintbrush, put it on there. Now to get these on, there's a pencil that you can get online that picks up small gems. Like, watch, it sticks to it. That's really, really neat. See? See? Oh, focus camera. Then you can just stick it on like that, or stick it on however you like. Don't worry about, alright, let me show you up close. Don't worry about the glue being outside of the gem there, because we're going to put more on. So, don't worry about that. It's alright. I want to put a little bit more. Good blob size. Get a bigger type of paintbrush. I'm just using this one because it's, well, it's big. Dip it in your glue like you're gonna paint, and just paint over. Whoa! Remember, your sticker's not sticky. It's not, the rhinestone is not dried to it yet. So just smear it on like that. Alright. And then just set that aside to dry. Alright. Now we're going to do this one, and I'm going to use a piece of pink. Pink. Let me cut the pink out. To save foam, you can also just glue it right onto it and then cut it out if you want to. Alright. So you could also use your glue stick and put the glue on there like that and get it on there. And you could cut this out in the border instead of cutting on the paper, like instead of like cutting around here, you could cut a border around it. I mean, cut your shape with your paper first and then do that. What I mean by that is, like, if you're going to do this one, then you're going to cut out the outline, cut out what you want first. You know, and then glue it on. So, alright, get some more clear glue here. Rub it on. Now this is to seal it, you know, from anything. So just wipe it on. And then this is a very handy technique. You take a tray. And you put your object on the tray, glitter tray, and then you sprinkle where you want the glitter to go. Just like that. Or if you already have glitter on there, you just tap it around there, and then it can dry there. I think I'll put a little glitter on this one too. It's already stuck on my finger. And just tap it where you want it. Okay, and then you let that dry. Now here's a cool idea. You can get these little trays that hold like scrapbooking stuff, and you can put all your extra runoff glitter into these, and then it's just like a super mix of whatever. And it still looks pretty. So alright, you let that dry, and then once that's dry, you have, you know, it's all dry. Okay, it's dry, yeah, it's dry. And then you use triple thick. I use the brush on. And you use triple thick and put it on top, and then it gets real shiny. Focus in there? Yeah, it gets real shiny. And then you just use any doodah little clip and just clip it on there, put it on a keychain, whatever. You could do this with stickers or print out something or any cool thing like that. And it kind of looks like Shrinky Dink. I just found that out. So I thought I would share it with you guys. If you didn't have any like triple thick, you could try some clear nail polish. Nail polish is not just for nails. You can use it to craft with. Yeah, so possibilities are endless. You could take some ribbon and go around the outsides. Let's see. Like, you could take, like after you're done, like hot glue this around the edges. You know, you have to, you know, cut it around the edges, but you could do that. You could paint the backs. You could, it's endless. So yeah, alright, the next tutorial I have coming up is an easier way to make Shambhala bracelets. I looked up online and I had it a couple times watching how to do that knot, the square knot or whatever, and I was like, oh my god, this is hard. So I figured out a really easy way to do it. And yeah, so stay tuned for that video and stuff. Okay, bye.